shut off the electric. I'm just going to test, make sure that they're off. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Nice new shiny one. Right, they're in nice and secure. Let's tighten them up. Excellent. Okay, let's turn back on. Off. Oh dear. Off. I hear beeps, that's good. Okay, so nothing's blown up. That's a good thing. Should be, I don't see why not. Let's plug this in, make sure the toaster works. Lovely. USB-C cable. Plug it in there. Plug it in this device here. There we go. Yeah, charging. Great. Job's a good one.